just the lineup to get into the actual castle itself, because they're very specific with how they want the cars laid out, I think. Absolutely beautiful. The logistics of getting the parking correct. That's Marcus. Quite embarrassed, to be honest. My car's filthy. I wasn't planning on coming today. Literally woke up and it was a last minute decision, just because I got so much going on with the move. So I thought, nah, I'm not gonna. But here we are. Glad I came.
Barely scratching the surface. This obsession of mine is fueling the furnace. I'm up all night and we're intertwined. Darling, you and I, and my heart beats cold under your control. Just let falls and chronicles. Did I lose my mind in your mercury eyes? Am I going blind? Beach cold under your control. Just a false echo. I'm a ghost. Did I lose my mind in your mercury eyes? Am I going blind? You're the reason why. And my heart beats cold under your control. Just a false echo. Did I lose my mind in your mercury eyes? Am I going blind?
Blame it on me. You're just too scared to be lonely. No one's safe from the reaper. Not a saint nor a sinner. Rage under my skin, slowly descending to madness. Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the violence. Help, there's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life, cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Change, can you swear some? Never mind, I forgot where I came from. Like wolves in the darkness, we've adapted to blindness. Fall asleep with the sirens. Help, there's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. so serious.
Alright guys, so that is a wrap. Another day, another Abarth event wrapped up at Hever Castle. An absolutely beautiful event. I mean, the castle's not that massive, but nonetheless it's still very pretty and something to definitely admire. A little bit of history. Something I love about England massively is the preservation of culture, which is quite awesome to see throughout. But yes, cars, coffee, castles, people. Stay tuned guys.